Thought for the day, Tuesday, August the 13th. Be in silence with Jesus. Those who sincerely love you, Lord, often perceive your presence in the silence of their rooms, deep in their hearts, and that feeling moves their soul as if you touched them to the quick every time. They thank you because you are very near them, because you are everything to them. You are the one who gives meaning to living and dying. They thank you, though often they may not know how to do it or find the words to say it. They only know that you love them and they love you. There is nothing as sweet on earth as that. When you show yourself, they feel heaven in their soul. They wonder, is heaven like this? And exclaim, it's marvelous. They thank you, Lord, for their life, for having let them here. And if outside there still are shadows that may darken this anticipated paradise, when you show yourself, everything becomes remote, distant. All the rest does not exist. You exist. Chiara Lubich, Meditations 2, Ciudad Nueva, page 26.
We are members of the Focolare movement from several Latin American countries and from Italy. Did you like this video? Then give us a like and subscribe to channel Playing Campaign.